I am a yoga instructor and yoga therapist from Singapore. It is a great pleasure and honor to be amongst such great dignitaries and speakers today. आप सभी का मैं तहे दिल से स्वागत करती हूँ. As you all know, 21st June is the International Day of Yoga, and we have started the celebrations already. YouthNews.online, in association with National Youth Foundation, Indian Yoga Association, and Parmarth Niketan Ashram have organized International Yoga E-Conclave, and today is the second day. We have some renowned and eminent speakers from all over the world to enlighten us. Yesterday was the first day of the conclave, and we had the privilege to listen to many spiritual gurus and yoga masters from all over the world sharing their wisdom and knowledge with us. It is my pleasure to extend a cheerful welcome to all of you for the second day of International Yoga E-Conclave 2021. I would like to thank the sponsors of the conclave, who are City Montessori School, Vishwa and Vyasa Canada, the Art of Living Foundation, Hum Purna Yoga Institute, Sarva Yoga International, Resonance the Yoga Studio, International Naturopathy Organization, SBPASS, World Yoga Federation, Yoga Alliance International, Sunmark Event Expert, Adhyatma Yoga Kendra, Soham Department of Yoga and Naturopathy, MJ College, Jalgaon, Anand Ashram, Pondicherry, Dr. Nutan Ayurveda and Garbh Sanskar Academy, Manav Dharam, Argentinian Hindu Parishad. Thank you all. The reach and spread of yoga today spans across continents. There are communities of yoga practitioners in almost every country in the world today. In order to benefit fully from yoga, to understand yoga in its entirety, we must reflect on who is a yogi. There is a beautiful shlok in Bhagavad Gita where Lord Krishna says, Yasmano dvijate loko, lokano dvijate chayaha, harshamarsh bhayo dvegair, muktoya sachme priyaha. By whom the world is not disturbed, and he who is not disturbed by the world, who is free from joy, impatience, fear, and distress. He is also dear to me. As you all know, we are going through extraordinary times with the pandemic still quite prevalent. As the world battles the COVID-19 pandemic on a war footing, India's traditional system of yoga has been established as a means to boost immunity, improve overall health and well-being. On 20th March 2020, Director General of the WHO also suggested that people could do yoga to maintain their physical and mental health. This will not help you only in the long term, it will also help you to fight COVID-19 if you get it, he suggested.
So much. We would like to welcome you all. This event is organized by YouthNews.online in association with Parmarth Niketan Ashram and Indian Yoga Association. यहाँ आए हुए सभी लोगों का मैं हार्दिक स्वागत, वंदन एवं अभिनंदन करता हूँ. This event is supported by City Montessori School, Vishwa and Vyasa Canada, the Art of Living Foundation, Hum Purna Yoga Institute, Sarva Yoga International, Resonance the Yoga Studio, International Naturopathy Organization, World Yoga Federation, Yoga Alliance, Sunmark Event Expert, Adhyatma Yoga Kendra, Soham Department of Yoga and Naturopathy, MJ College Jalgaon, Ananda Ashram Pondicherry, Dr. Nutan Ayurveda and Garbh Sanskar Academy, Manav Dharma Argentinian Hindu Parishad. इसी के साथ मैं यहाँ आए हुए सभी अतिथियों का हार्दिक स्वागत, वंदन एवं अभिनंदन करता हूँ. हमारे बीच में अब से कुछ ही देर बाद आज के कार्यक्रम के मुख्य अतिथि डॉक्टर स्वामी सत्यप्रकाश जी होंगे, मैं उनका भी हार्दिक स्वागत, वंदन एवं अभिनंदन करता हूं। We will be great to have special guest महात्मा कृष्णानंद जी, the president मानव धर्म अर्जेंटीनियन हिंदू परिषद, उनका भी स्वागत है। We would like to welcome Nandini Tripathi, Director of Project Implementation and Communication at Global Interfaith Wash Alliance. We would like to welcome Yogi Chintamani, educationist and peace activist from Nepal. We would like to welcome Acharya Vasudevanand ji. We would like to welcome Tone Well, Shishir Srivastav ji, Antim Kumar Jain ji, Eric joining it all the way. Then we have the list is endless. Acharya Vipin Joshi ji Maharaj, Swami Suryananda Saraswati. Then we would like to have the Dr. Nutan's speech. We would like to welcome her on board. Then Yogacharya Dhakkaram ji, Dr. Madan Manav ji, Anant Biradar ji. We would like to welcome you all on behalf of Indian Yoga Association, National Youth Foundation, Parmarth Niketan and YouthNews.online. With this, I would like to request Neetu ji to can you proceed this event further? Thank you.
Now I would like to invite Yogacharya Dhakaram Sapkote. Yogacharya Dhakaram Sapkote to share his words of wisdom with us.
आप सभी को हमारा मुस्कुराता हुआ नमस्कार। परमपिता परमेश्वर की ऐसी अनुकंपा बनी रहे, बनी हुई है। मैं बहुत बहुत बधाई देना चाहूंगा हिमांशु जी को और उनके पूरे टीम को, जिन्होंने नेशनल यूथ फाउंडेशन के माध्यम से विश्व भर के सब योग गुरुओं को, योगियों को और बहुत सारे दर्शकों को जोड़ा। उन सभी को मेरी तरफ से नमन। बस आप सभी से राज स्मृति में आपको एक बात बोलता हूँ कि इस उत्सव को हम कैसे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। जब हम खुश होते हैं या कोई भी हम उत्सव मनाते हैं, उस उत्सव का समापन हम लोग उसको कैसे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, राज स्मृति जी बताएंगी आप?
बिल्कुल खुश होके।
ओके, तो मैं आप मुस्कुरा के। तो ये जो इतना खूबसूरत कार्यक्रम हुआ, मैं सबको चाहूंगा कि कभी खुशी कभी गम। गम में खुशी को ढूंढ सकते हैं राज स्मृति जी, लेकिन खुशी में गम को नहीं ढूंढ सकते। तो मिस आई वांट टू से एवरीवन कि वी विल सेलिब्रेट दिस मोमेंट विद लाफ। हम लोग सब एकदम बिंदास होकर के, हंस के, मुस्कुरा करके इस पल का आनंद लेंगे। तो हम लोग इतना हंसेंगे, वी विल लाफ लाउडली एंड अंडर कंट्रोल। आफ्टर स्टार्टिंग योर पैनिंग योर स्टमक एंड योर चीक एंड कमिंग आउट द योर टीयर्स। जो घर में कुछ लोग सो रहे होंगे तो थोड़ा सा धीरे हंसेंगे, लेकिन हम लोग इतना बिंदास होकर हंसेंगे कि हंसते हंसते आपके गाल दर्द हो जाए, पेट दर्द हो जाए। क्या आप तैयार हैं सब? तो हंसने से पहले लोग, जब हम अच्छी तरह हंसते हैं राज स्मृति जी, लोग बोलते हैं क्यों हंस रहे हो पागलों की तरह। We can't laugh loudly, but I am saying we are trying to give a key everyone. हम क्यों हंसें? लोग पूछते हैं क्यों हंसते हो, मैं बोलता हूँ मैं कारण देता हूँ, टू गिव अ की फॉर एवरीवन। हिमांशु जी ने मुझे बुलाया तो मैं चाहूंगा एक चाबी सबको देना चाहूंगा। हिमांशु जी, उस चाबी को लेने के बाद आप बंद कमरे में यू कैन लाफ योरसेल्फ, नो नीड टू एनीबॉडी। तो यू वांट टू टेक दैट काइंड ऑफ की, राजलक्ष्मी? इस दुनिया में मिलियंस एंड बिलियंस पीपल्स कम्स। दुनिया में खरबों खरबों लोग आए, खरबों खरबों लोग चले गए और खरबों खरबों लोग मौजूद हैं। बट nobody like me, nobody like you. We all are unique this universe. So I am saying no need to look mirror. You can look yourself and smile more and more. So all brothers and sisters and fathers and mothers, they think about you. मेरे जैसा इंटेलिजेंट आदमी कोई नहीं है। If you are a gentleman, you can say all females, I'm a wonderful lady, nobody like me. All children thinks मेरी जैसी खूबसूरत लड़की कोई नहीं है या मेरी जैसा खूबसूरत लड़का कोई नहीं है। So we can think ourselves. So we can laugh loudly and under control, everyone. After laughing, just we close our eyes for only 2 minutes. So ready to laughing? हिमांशु जी, क्या हंसना शुरू करें? और हंसने के बाद just 2 minutes आंखें बंद करके, after closing your eyes, feel your entire body. Can we start laugh? Laugh yourself. start laughing more and more. Nobody asks you, why are you laughing like a mad people? अमित जी हंस दीजिएगा. Vikram ji laugh more and more. Laugh now. Everybody should close your eyes and laugh on your own. Everyone, close your eyes, laugh on your own because nobody is watching you. आपको कोई देखने वाला नहीं है, so don't think. Close your eyes and concentrate yourself. Your whole body are smiling. Because of yoga means ultimate happiness. M2, Samadhi, ultimate happiness. And this happiness we have got. That's why laugh on your own. Because whatever we do, we want to happiness, and after happiness become a smile. Your smile is very important. Don't open your eyes just 1 minute. Because it's a wonderful moment in your life. This moment, we don't know. We don't know what will happen in next moments. If you do laugh more and more, you can laugh. Laugh yourself because we all are unique this universe. We are individual. आप सोचिए भगवान को बनाने में कितना मेहनत करना पड़ा होगा. If you search you kind of peoples, just inform me. I'll give up 50 lakhs rupees transfer in your accounts. You are unique. Nobody like us. योग से concentrate your self-realization with a smile. Yoga से concentrate your self-realization with a smile. This smile nobody will get. It's you have got. Just some moments. Now smoothly rub your palm each other. Keep your palm. Just rub your palm each other. Keep your palm on your closed eyes sleep. And smoothly. Just pray to God. Oh God, let's today be the most happiest day for us. We also wanted to request you to have the most happiest day for our entire family and even every soul on this earth. Oh. Shanti. 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 God always bless like this for us. God always bless like this for us. God always bless like this for us. Thank you very much. और राज स्मृति जी आपको थोड़ा सा बोलने का मौका दिया, उसके लिए आप सभी खुश रहें, मस्त रहें, स्वस्थ रहें. We are living the yogi life, तो 100% हम खुशी रहेंगे. Thank you.